Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle Naomi. If you are new here, do not forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell when you're done so you can be notified every time homegirl uploads another video. So I hope you guys are all safe. I hope everyone is in good spirits despite this corona thing. I'm just loving this hair right now. So this wig is from Nadula Hair. It is their 150 density 22-inch wig that I most definitely cut because this do not look like no 22 now. I did dye it jet black and I showed you that quick 7-minute process. It was really easy, really simple to do, and it only cost me what, $250 per dye, so 3 dyes, $750. And here are the results of that. Okay, so if you'd like to purchase this wig, which I would definitely recommend because it is so bodylicious, so full of life, and thick as hell for 150 density, just keep on watching and the links will be in the description box. So let me just get right into the video. No time for chit chat. As I said before, if you'd like to purchase, which I would definitely recommend, this hair is 10 out of 10. Okay, honey? 10 out of 10. I do not expect bad quality from Nadula at all. Nadula always lives up to its standards. And can we just check out this frontal? These baby hairs are to die for. So if you'd like your hair to look like mine, definitely go ahead and purchase that Nadula wig. And yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I'm back. I hope y'all are doing well. Hope everybody's been social distancing and I hope everyone is staying safe. So in today's video, we're dyeing jet black and we're doing a mini install with Nadula Hair. They sent me a 22-inch frontal unit. It was body wave. I straightened it after I did all of this styling because I knew I was gonna dye it jet black and I wanted to make sure that like the dipping process was easier. So now I'm gonna just add in my water. This is about 2 liters of water into my metal pan or pot. You could use anything that you want to use when coloring. Just make sure you rinse it well and, you know, keep it clean, keep it cute. So the dyes that we're using is the Revlon dye in number 10, the box dye. I have already pre-shaken, pre-mixed 2 of them, and now I'm just gonna pour the solution into my pot of water. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm gonna make sure that I do one last final mix to get all the dye evenly distributed into this water. And now, honey, it's time to dip, okay? So as you can see, it's more of a natural brown color for the wig. It is most definitely not jet black, and what we're about to do is make it jet black. So let's do this. So as I dip, you can totally see the color change altogether. I'm gonna just keep dipping the hair into the dye water. We've only had the hair in for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So I'm gonna just let the rest of the hair sit in it like so because I don't want any of my air tabs, which are right here, to get bleached. So I'm gonna just go ahead and leave this in here for another, say, 5 minutes to make sure that it bleaches all together, and then I'm gonna take it out and rinse it, and then y'all are gonna just see this wig on my head. So just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair after being blow dried, and yeah, I have yet to cut the lace. What I will do right now is go ahead and cut off some of these inches because it's hot. I am so sorry, but I'm cutting about 4 to like 6 inches off. It's way too hot. It's way too hot. Okay. It's just too hot. So this is about 4 to 6 inches that I'm cutting off, and then I'm also cutting everything like in a downwards motion. So whatever I did for this side, I'm gonna do for the other side. And I'm just gonna make sure that everything is leveled correctly, and then I'll be back with my baby hairs done and everything ready to style the wig. Yeah, so I cut it down to about an 18 inch, and I like this length. I'm really comfortable with it. It's just too hot to be wearing long inches, and I've had this hair for quite some time, and I'm just getting around to doing a video. So what I will do is start off by curling some of the hair in a time lapse, and then when I get to the top pieces, which is pretty much the most important pieces, then I'll like record like normal so you guys could see what exactly I'm doing. So let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, so right about now I am gonna get into the curling portion. I feel like I've left out enough hair to do this. So I use this curling iron. This is a Conair Raw Energy. It was from like a hair show, and I don't think they even sell this. So I don't know what to tell y'all. Like when people ask me like, where's your flat iron, your curling iron from? Cause girl, I don't know. I don't know what store sells this. Maybe a freaking Conair warehouse. I don't know. But yeah, what I am doing is just curling, and I'm curling away from my face. I don't ever curl towards my face. That I ain't that type of chick. I don't know, I just could never get curls right when they're like closer to my face. Wait, no, when they're curled inwards. So I curl that way. So now that like I've gotten the curl how I want it, I'm gonna like redo it again, clearly as you can tell, and just gonna pin it up. I really don't even like to pin my front curls because these girls, these curling pins or these like pins that I use, they just do too much sometimes, and it be messing up like how how the curl falls, and I'll be having to like redo it. So sometimes I tend to like pin it under, like you see, and that helps a little bit. Not all the time does it help, but it helps somewhat. And I still might end up like recurling it, but that's fine. Whatever it takes to be cute. So continuing, I'm just gonna keep curling like this, like splitting it in chunks like this instead of like going horizontal. So I'm doing vertical pieces, and this is pretty much a really easy, simple style. Not doing anything extra, as you can see. It's only a middle part with a couple curls or whatever, so that's what we're doing. I can't wait to get new makeup, y'all, because your girl's lacking. Okay, I need some new, well, I bought some Pat McGrath, so that's coming soon on the 25th, I think. And then what else? I bought this Ben Nye palette that I have yet to use, but I will use it eventually. I just love my Bobbi Brown. I don't want to give it up, but there is like my exact shade in the Ben Nye palette, and I'm really loving it. I want to get my hands on some William Tuttle, and I want to get my hands on some more Ben Nye, but we'll see about that. Not Ben Nye, some more Pat McGrath, but Pat McGrath is pricey. Okay. How one concealer is $32. I mean, that's kind of standard, but still, we'll see when the time comes. And then this is the last curl for this side. I mean, I think curling doesn't take that long, but it depends on how much hair you have to curl. Thank God this hair is like thick, but not too thick to the point where I'm out here struggling and I have to be doing curls on curls on curls. This is like a 1-2 step type thing. So I really thank you, Nadula. You did that. You really did that. I pretty much think I'm gonna quickly do this side off camera and come back to when I'm like unraveling the curls. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and it's now time to unravel these curls. Honestly, so far so good. I love doing jet black curls. I love shorter curls more than anything. I feel like it's like one of the cutest hairstyles you could possibly do, and it all just always looks uniform, and it all just always looks really nice. So that's why I love them. And it's always good working with Nadula hair. I never, or almost never, pretty much never have a problem with their wigs. They're always like real good quality. And like I said, that trick worked. The trick where you put the pin under your curl instead of over it, it definitely worked. So right now I'm gonna just take my little paddle brush and run through these curls. This is so cute. So boom, call me wifey. This is just giving me housewife goes to the salon vibes. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love this hair, in love with the way it turned out. I'm pretty sure cutting it was for the better, even though it was like super thick, or it still is super thick. I just feel like this is the look. This is my go-to wig for the summertime. You know, you want to get cute and not go out right now because we're in a terrible time. You should be in your house, but like just getting cute in your house. And yeah, I love it so much. So thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video and sending this bomb wig that I dyed jet black and curled for you guys. I even showed y'all a little bit of the baby hairs when I said I wasn't. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to click the links in the description box if you want to purchase this wig. It is gorgeous. I most definitely do recommend it. And don't forget to follow Nadula's social medias as well as mine. My Instagram is at @DanielNaomi_ or she's your fave. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next one.